And of course, they left their trash up here. Old pieces of copper, old pieces of metal. And let me show you the patch job that they did on the drywall. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I got another one for y'all. Okay, recently installed unit, obviously by another contractor, another company. If you've read the instructions for installing a furnace, you know that you typically have to have metal ductwork on the return side, whether it's on the back or on the bottom of the furnace or on the side. Whatever side you do, doesn't matter. You need to have some metal ductwork and then connect your flexible duct to it. Okay, this is not me saying it, this is the manufacturer saying it. That was the first place they cut corners. Right here, you're supposed to put in a Romex connector and tighten that down to keep these nice and tight, and to reduce the amount of hot air that it's going to pick up from the attic all summer long. Okay, here again in Arizona, we require hard pipe in the furnace, stick out of the furnace, and then you can attach your flexible gas line to it. You cannot use flexible line going straight into a furnace. It's not code. Okay, I don't make the codes, we follow the codes, but I'm sure they're for a reason. Okay, high voltage, there's a notch out right here, right there. Punch that out, you drop a Romex connector in, and you feed in through there. Okay, this is not, this is not rocket science. They didn't insulate this line. It's starting to sweat. Okay, they didn't insulate this line. It's starting to corrode right there, and sweat right there, and puddle right here. Okay, that pan, that pan's life has been severely shortened by that simple mistake. Okay, this this flexible V-vent or flue pipe, you want to call it, whichever way you call it, is literally in the way of the attic crawl space. You're not supposed to do that. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to point out. They put in a plenum on the front, right? They connected the flexible to it, but they didn't want to do it in the back. They didn't want to spend an extra $100 on a box and a little bit more work. So they ended up doing that, which is severely gonna lower the airflow. Anyways, y'all, let me know what y'all think. This is just the furnace and coil so far. I mean, you can tell that they even went, look how paper thin the sealer is. You could tell these folks were not professional by any means. So anyways, y'all, let me know what y'all think, and we will see you on the next one. Maybe we'll find some things on the air conditioning side, but we're starting with the furnace. So I'll let y'all know how that goes, though. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.